Semenalysis. The first part of this procedure is the physical and the chemical test. It includes color, viscosity, volume, and pH. Second is the motility. Sperm motility is defined as sperm with forward progression. To prepare the slide, add 1 drop of the sperm sample and cover it with cover slip. Always make sure to label the slide with the patient's name and the type of test. After slide preparation, immediately read it under the microscope. For the motility, it requires reading 20 fields and grading it 1 to 4. Third is the vitality. Prepared slide for the vitality can also be used for the morphology. To prepare this, add 1 drop of the semen sample and 1 drop of AUC nigrosine. Then mix it with an applicator stick. The stained sample will be used for smearing. Allow the smear to air dry after reading under the microscope. Vitality is done to determine whether the sperm is alive or dead. For reading, we need to count 100 sperms. Stained sperm means dead and unstained means alive. For recording, get the percentage of the alive sperm and the dead sperm. For morphology, it is done to identify whether the sperm is in the normal form or have abnormalities. For grading, count 100 sperms and identify whether it's normal or have abnormalities. Also, take note the abnormalities identified. For the recording of the results, get the percentage for the normal and abnormal sperms. Last is the sperm concentration. Sperm concentration is to give estimate of the number of sperm every ejaculation. First thing to do is to prepare the suspension. To do this, attach syringe to the other side of the rubber tubing and pipette on the other side. This is done to aspirate semen sample and NSS. After aspiration, remove the rubber tubing and mix the suspension. Next is to add drop of suspension to the new bowel slide. Now it is ready for reading under microscope. For counting, count the 4 small corner and central square located in the large central square of the counting chamber. Sperm counts are reported as sperm per millimeter. Multiply the sperm count per cubic millimeter by 1000. After the procedure, make sure to clean the microscope being used and return it in its storage position. Also, make sure to disinfect the working space. And lastly, dispose the used slide on the proper bin.